Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change 2018 Jeep Cherokee headlight. Start by parking on level ground, turning off the ignition, and disconnecting the battery to avoid shocks. Open the hood, locate the headlight housing, and remove accessible bolts and clips with the right tools. Keep a tray for fasteners and a soft cloth to protect surfaces. Work methodically, test the new bulb, and adjust aim for proper alignment after installation. Gather tools and take safety steps before you begin work on the headlight. Put on gloves to protect bulbs and your hands, and place a blanket over the fender to prevent scratches. Use a trim tool to gently release plastic clips and a socket set for bolts securing the housing. Keep track of all fasteners in order and avoid touching the new bulb glass with bare fingers for reliable performance and longevity. Start by removing the negative battery cable, then remove bolts and clips holding the headlight housing. Gently pull the housing forward enough to access the bulb connector, unplug it, and rotate out the old bulb. Install the new bulb by the base, not the glass, and reconnect the wiring harness before positioning the housing back in place. Secure all fasteners, reconnect the battery, turn on the headlights, and confirm both.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.